I'm taking a break from my receipt hunting, and I thought I'd share with you something that happened during my 2006 audit. The auditor was coming after me for a certain amount of money, probably about $2,000. Luckily, my dear friend was helping me organize my receipts and statements and everything that was in my 2006 box. In the bottom of the box, she found a $6,000 expense receipt that I forgot to include in my tax return. I don't know how I could forget such a thing, but I did. It wasn't on any bank statements, and it was dated at the end of '06. So I probably just got lazy and threw it in the box, forgot about it when it came time to do my tax returns. That's why I'm telling you guys, keep all your receipts and paper, no matter how insignificant you think it is. It may help you later on. Anyways, we gave her the receipt, the auditor. We gave the auditor the receipt, and she was forced to zero out anything she thought I might have owed. I probably should have gotten a refund, but I didn't. You would never get a refund during an audit. You would be lucky to walk away owing nothing. Anyways, when she realized she couldn't collect from me, she went after my husband with a vengeance, and she went after the travel expenses. And it wasn't enough that we gave her all the receipts. She wanted travel logs. We gave her the travel logs. She wanted a contract. She wanted to see the contract between the employee and the company that stated the commission and the rules of the company. So we gave that to her, and that should have been enough, but it wasn't. She ended up calling the company manager. She called the company manager. I've never heard of such a thing. I don't know what was said, but she made him write a letter to her and word it in a way that worked in her favor. Because next thing you know, we get slapped with a bill plus interest and penalties. You know, auditors are supposed to be fair. They're supposed to do their jobs and be fair. But sometimes you get auditors, or they're just out to get you. They are out to win. They want to collect as much as they can, and if they can't find it in one expense, they're going to go and look at another expense and another expense and another expense until they can squeeze some money out of you. And if they're really mean, they won't return your call for months and months and months. Meanwhile, the penalties and the interests are accruing. We probably should have gone to tax court for that, but we were intimidated, and she had the letter, and the company, I know, didn't mean to screw us, but they screwed us. But they ended up declaring bankruptcy anyway, so that's karma for you. Anyways, a friend of mine who was also audited several years back had asked the auditor, "Why are you coming after me? Why are you coming after me when I pay my taxes and there's thousands of illegal immigrants out there all around us who are living off the government, living off of honest taxpayers like me? Why are you coming after me?" The auditor said to him, "Because we can. Because we know you'll pay." And there you have it. You are guilty until you can prove yourself innocent. Anyway, I'm going to go back to my receipt hunting, so I will talk to you later.